Gaming Guy 88 here with another video, and this is on the Oddworld Soulstorm Collector's Oddition. Yeah, it's Oddition instead of Addition, but that just goes in with the name Oddworld. This is for the PS4, although it does feature a free upgrade to the PS5 version. And as you can see, I've already opened it somewhat, so that way it's easier to unbox. Okay, let's get right into it. You got Abe here on the front, and got some artwork on the side. Got some artwork on the back. Yeah, that looks really cool. And then I got some more artwork on the other side. Take off the slip cover here. Now, it did come with another slip cover. It was just more or less what you would see on the standard version of the game, like the game's case, and the back of it said more information about the game. Got some more artwork on top. And this is the steelbook case. Yeah, that's cool. And the hand is actually like a 3D hand, like you can feel it. But yeah, that's the steelbook case. And as you can see right here, we got the game itself. And I guess that's what we're gonna get out next, if we can. Looks like it came with some more cards, like some art cards. Yeah, that was really cool. Came with some, I believe these are stickers. Yeah, they're stickers. Looks cool as well. And here is another one. And here's the game itself, which, like I said, is the PS4 version of the game. And I got this instead of the PS5 version of the Collector's Oddition because this was only, at the time I got it, $75 on Amazon. It even says down here, PS5 upgrade available. So definitely glad to have this because I'm a big fan of the Oddworld series. I got into it first on the original Xbox, but I have gone back and bought the ones on the PS1 where the series got its start. And got some more stuff in here. Oh, some more cards with artwork. I'm assuming he's a bad guy. And I'm assuming this is a place where you go in the game. Looks pretty intense. And in here, what's left is the Abe statue. You can kind of see his face right there. And Soulstorm has some, I'm not sure what those are, but they're green. Yeah, as we see it here from the other side, that's definitely Abe. And I'm assuming with these green things, he'll be able to like hold them as if he was going to throw them. So they may be like grenades or something in the game. And something else that's also in here is, I believe this is, yeah, it's an art book. Yeah, the art of the video game. There's Abe again. I will definitely take everything out and figure out where it can go. I just wanted to be able to unbox it and for you all to just see what was included. Definitely cool to have all this in the collector's audition of the game. So, yeah, thanks for watching. But until next time, you all take care.